Hello, everyone. And today I would like to present Pod. Blockchains are great, but they are slow, requiring several seconds to even minutes to do a single transaction. Expensive, costing several dollars of dynamic gas fees as compared to almost free-to-use web apps. And complex, needing hundreds of steps to do the simplest of action. What if using blockchains could be as simple and as fast as doing a Google search? Allow me to break the biggest myth of the blockchain industry that has held us from getting there. We do not need consensus to solve the double spending problem. In fact, most of the applications using blockchain today do not need consensus. Consensus can be thought of as a black box that takes transactions as input and outputs them in some globally agreed upon order. Achieving this global order requires validators to do several round trips of communication. Consensus protocols are slow and expensive. They are one of the key reasons why decentralized systems have not been able to reach its full potential. Welcome, Pod. Pod is a new programmable layer 1 that relaxes transaction total ordering to achieve sub-second finality and gigabit level throughput. I'm the CEO of Pod. I've been in the blockchain space for the past 6 years. My journey started as an algorithm designer and smart contract developer for some of the early DAOs and DeFi protocols, such as Deorg and Paraswap. Very early on, I was auditing and gas golfing contracts that held hundreds of millions of dollars. Later, I got interested in the science and cryptography of blockchains. That's when I built the first light client, Kevlar. For the past 2 years, I've been working at Common Prefix, where I also met my other co-founders, and I've been leading the business development and growth there. Dionys is the chief scientist. He's a well-renowned scientist with over 20 papers on blockchain with over 1,000 citations. Alexis is the CTO. He has over 2 decades of experience leading and scaling technical teams. He has been a CTO and founder of several Web2 companies in the past, such as Balena and Geekbot. Haris is a COO. In the past, he worked at Amazon and some of the top banks. We are a spin-out out of Common Prefix, which is a team of 22 people. Half of them are well-renowned scientists, and other half are senior blockchain engineers. This is one of the superpowers of Pod because we can leverage the complete team of Common Prefix from the get-go to bootstrap at full speed. These are some of the key features of Pod. I've already briefly touched upon the sub-second latency and the gigabit level throughput. With Pod, we are building EVMX, which is a fully backwards compatible extension of EVM. With EVMX, smart contract developers can leverage the fast lane of Pod while still using their favorite Solidity toolchain. Pod is a stake-based network. We plan to bootstrap as an AVS, borrowing security from Ethereum, being fully Ethereum aligned, and then progressively moving to our own sovereign L1. The first feature that we are targeting, or the first use case that we are targeting with Pod, is real-time auctions. Auctions are critical for blockchain ecosystems. They are required for dynamically pricing block space, order flows, intents, proofs, etc. Currently, fast auctions on blockchain are either centralized or broken. For example, 90% of all the blocks produced in Ethereum today rely on a centralized relayer run by flashbots to do the PBS auction. Such auctions cannot be done on any existing L1, L2 infrastructure. With Pod, these systems can leverage Pod to do the real-time auctions. We are on track to deploying our DevNet version of the auction network next month, which will be leveraged by some of these partners. There are several other interesting features and use cases that I couldn't cover in today's presentation, such as fully on-chain games, instant payments, and decentralized socials. I'll be more than happy to tell you more about it later. And by the way, if you're a Minecraft nerd, hit me up off stage to try out the alpha version of Minecraft fully deployed on Pod. And believe me, you won't even know that it's using a blockchain in the backend. That's how we think about UX of products built on Pod. Thank you.